his and this is yours?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what we got going on?
What I did, okay, he hooked up his to his faucet.
Okay.
I didn't.
Okay.
So what I did with mine, instead of using, may I see that end?
Yep.
That other end. This.
Okay.
You can see how he had it put up in his
Yep.
faucet.
Yep.
This was taped around
Oh, wow. Oh, my.
to keep it from wobbling around.
Wow, really?
So that's,
Yeah, that
that's
definitely
how,
looks
see,
like
it's not
there's a
very
lot
clean.
of, no, it's not a lot of mold. We found a lot of black mold. I had one of my clients from the very beginning actually never cleaned the unit in 10 years. And they both, husband and wife, both got diagnosed stage 4 cancer. And it was the first machine I ever took apart because I wanted to see what was inside of it since they never cleaned it. And it was thick with black mold and just green film that smelled like dead fish. And they had been drinking that. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So that's when I got really serious about let's educate people on why it's important to clean these and maintain them. So we do offer the service now for our clients. It's like, hey, send them to us. We'll absolutely clean them for you.
But this is, I put another faucet behind it on the side of my regular faucet. So I just
Hooked it in there.
this one.
Okay.
I just plugged it into my faucet without using this.
Okay.
I was having problems trying to hook it up to the
Spigot.
the spigot.
Okay.
I tried so many different ones. I could not get it on there.
Okay.
And so I gave up. I never used it.
Okay. And yep, there it is. Okay. All
There
right.
it is. I can never.
Get it. Figure
You
it
want
out.
me to get it out of the back so you can see it? To help?
Okay, sure.
Yeah, I'm just making a mess here. I wasn't ready for this. That's the new one.
Yep.
There's all my parts. I tried every one of them to hook it up to the spigot. I gave up. But so I got a separate faucet, just run cold water, single faucet, and just turn it on.
Yep.
And I get my water,
Okay.
which comes out of here.
Okay. Cool. Well, would you like to see the new technology? I can show you.
Pardon?
You want to see the new technology that we have, so you can kind of check out the new and improved devices here that don't require the cleaning and the maintenance that is involved.
You mean I'm not going to use these anymore?
There's a possibility because we have a trade-up program, and it'll save you
See
a
it
lot
coming.
of money because we have.
Or lasting that long?
Yeah, well, especially if he's not drinking good water. You know, water brain's 80% water, so if he's got dementia, things going on, it's like, you know.
His girlfriend likes it.
Yeah.
But since you're not getting nothing out of it, you guys don't even have it on. Just how does it taste different?
Yeah.
It can't taste different unless you're drinking, I was going to say, maybe mold?
Yeah, it will. It'll taste like bacteria. It'll taste like mold. They say it tastes like fish.
Fish, yeah.
Fish. And that's the mold and bacteria that you're tasting, which is really not healthy for your body because mold internally is so incredibly hard to get rid of. So, yeah, so let me just show you the new technology so you're aware of it. And then we do have our first event here on the 24th. So this is called hydrogen technology. So as you know, I was in Kangen for 12 years. And I ended up deciding to move on because of the older technology and people not cleaning it and the people getting sick. And so now we just have to educate people about the new technology. It's just like a new car, you know? It's like before there was stick shift and now it's automatic. So this is kind of a similar situation.
I don't like it anymore.
Okay. And we also make ozone water with this. So we're going to turn this facility into a water sharing facility so people can come here. And we have these bags. And you can leave some today too, so you can try it too. But these are about a gallon. They're BPA free. And we'll just fill people up here and then they can start to experience how it feels to feel good. Then we'll also have the medical gas, which is 1,000 times more potent than drinking the water. So it's 1,000 glasses of hydrogen water for the inhalation of 20 minutes, about 20 minutes or so. So this technology we have on special right now, you get a pre-filter, which filters the water before it goes in the unit. Because that way you get everything out. And then the
Takes
unit...
all the impurities,
yeah.
supposedly.
And then the unit itself has a filter too.
Yeah.
And isn't it beautiful?
Fancy.
We make ozone water here, which is great for cleaning your fruits and vegetables.
That's what I use
Yeah.
for my vegetables. I
Yep.
use
The 11.5 or the 2.5?
9.
Yep. Well, this...
I got 9, 8.5, and 8.
The ozone water that the unit makes, it's actually dismantles the pesticides and renders them not harmful any longer. So if you're washing your vegetables with it, it's really great for them. And you can also wash it with hydrogen water, which helps make them last longer, those vegetables.